morning. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a hug in a box. This is from Holly at Holly's Dolly Hobby. Isn't that the cutest name? I love that channel name. Holly has some incredible dolls on her channel. She and her daughters share the hobby. I think, in fact, one of her daughters is her camera person, and they're both joining in on the mermaid, upcoming mermaid collab, which I'm very excited about. And you will like Holly's channel. I'm trying to be careful because all I know is it's fragile. So I'm trying to be very careful. This has been here a few days, actually about a week, driving me crazy. We do Monday through Friday, and sometimes if I get a Happy Mail but I have a collab or something already scheduled, I have to wait to open the Happy Mail because I believe every Happy Mail deserves its own video. Okay. I'm getting there, I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I don't want to show addresses. There we go. Okay, very, very carefully. I want to open this. This is so kind. When you get Happy Mail, I say this all the time, it's a hug in a box. Oh, look at this card. It has a bicycle on it. Darren and I are cyclists. We don't ride like we used to, but I love that. Dear Marna, thank you so much for all you do in the doll community. Thank you for your enthusiasm for dolls and your generosity. Holly, I feel the same way about you. I truly had a blast being part of the Blythe Fairy collab. Thank you for the doll and other goodies that helped me get started. I love Petunia. Here are some goodies for you and your many Dolly friends. Thank you, Holly's Dolly Hobby. It's just the cutest name, it just rolls off your tongue. Holly also, okay, there is a top. Ooh, there's a lot here. Be very careful. Slide this out. Fragile. All right, top. This is like Christmas. Top note, the two pieces inside are not attached. Okay, so I want to be very careful. And this is taped. If I send you a package, it is tape, 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 and lately we've had some problems, so I'll be adding more tape. And I know some of you are laughing and think, how much more tape can... Oh my God, wait till you see this. Holly. Oh, I have no words. Oh my goodness, see, I told you, Holly is quite the crafter. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to set that ever so carefully. Oh my God. Oh, you all know I am smitten with Blythe dolls. Smitten. Oh, I absolutely love that. Oh. We really did have fun with our collabs. Where did you get the butterfly? Are those butterfly wings you made into that dress? Oh, look at all, let me move this card so I can turn it slowly. Look at all the foliage and oh, everything. Holly, you're going to have to leave in the comments about this dress. That I was looking at it as it came around. I'm going to be looking at this myself. That is so cute. And I like the way you have the Mitty's hair in the pigtails. That hair can get away from you, those curly hair dolls. I love them. And then there is a butterfly scarf. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, that is very cool. Thank you. I wear scarves. I wear scarves. They keep your neck warm. Oh, 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 oh. This is just full of stuff. Look, a little hair adorable. I have been seeing people
Mermaid.
open. Yeah, mermaid, you're right. You are absolutely right. Thank you for noticing that straight away. My eye was on this, I have to be honest. I saw the doll, I was looking. I have been seeing everyone open these Care Bears on their channels, and I'm thrilled to have one. Oh, look at the scarf, it's so pretty. Oh, a Barbie fashion pack. Look at this. Oh, won't that be cute? For a moment, I thought, oh, that'll fit my chubby Blythe, but it won't. However, I have 14-inch welly wishers, and I'll bet you that is really cute. Thank you, Holly. You know I love the bling. Bling, bling, bling. And this scarf is beautiful. Let me put these up. I will reuse these packing peanuts. And I will reuse the ribbon too. You see those on some outfits. Oh, wow. Wow. This is, wow. This is a great big deal. And then there's more wrapped. Oh. Oh. How fun is that? Little seashells. And you can use these on your Blythe pull strings. If you, a lot of them, these might be nicer shells than I had before. A lot of them have an opening at the other end, and you can slide fishing line through the shells and make a necklace or a Blythe pull string. Holly, Holly, Holly. I'm lost for words. I really am lost for words. This is over the top. Thank you so much.
It looks like LEDs too. Those are
Oh my God. Holly. Darren, I'm so glad you saw those. Oh, Holly. Thank you so much. And I'll bet Emma was in on this. Emma is her daughter. And I saw them shopping for these little her Hairdorables mermaids. And I thought they were really cute when I saw what they were buying. Holly, thank you. Talk about a hug in a box. This is a bear hug. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Go see Holly's channel. It'll be listed in the description. Give her a subscribe to her channel. Like and comment there too.